Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can reset Instagram Explore page. So without further ado, let's begin. So now to start, open your Instagram app. And then now right here on your home page, you can see at the bottom, the search icon. Just tap on that. Because what we're going to do to reset your Explore page is to actually clear all your recent searches. So as you can see right there, we need to clear your searches. And then after that, go to your settings and then go to your activity. So now all we need to do is to clear all of our activity. For example, if you have liked some pictures or some posts, what we're going to do is to unlike them. And then after that, if you have comments or any reactions to any post, what we're going to do is to clear all of that. In that way, we can now reset your Instagram Explore page. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.